Imagine a 95-year-old with a razor-sharp memory and someone who's only 60, already forgetting names, faces, moments. The real question isn't how long we live. It's why some brains never seem to age. Most science waits for the brain to fail. Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia. But what if we stopped waiting? What if we learned how the brain succeeds? That single question changed everything. A human genome project. But this time, for the aging brain. The Knight Initiative and the Brain Resilience Lab have a bold mission: to preserve brain health deep into old age. Not asking why the brain breaks down, but how it stays strong. Are there molecular switches that control brain aging? Are there genes silently deciding our cognitive future? And can brain aging be slowed or even stopped? Brain aging isn't just memory loss. It shapes our mood, our creativity, our independence. That's why scientists are studying more than 100 brain regions from age 18 to 100. It tracks how genes change over time, how proteins rise and fall, how brain lipids evolve with age. This is the molecular blueprints of healthy brain aging. To understand disease, we must first understand the healthy human brain. Inside the lab, biologists work with physicists, mathematicians, artificial intelligence experts. Millions of data points, patterns no human could see alone. Imagine asking a system, which genes protect the aging brain? Which drugs target these pathways? This is discovery through conversation. Brain resilience is more than avoiding disease. It's protecting our memories, our identities, our creativity. The goal is no longer just treatment, it's prevention, from pathology to protection. If we can map the blueprints of brain aging, will growing old stop meaning growing weaker? And maybe one day, we won't just live longer, we'll think clearer for longer.